Welcome to Wastwater. I'm back making videos again. I am doing a wild camp up. The plan is to camp up. Look at that. It's incredible. You know where I am. You know this area. I'm up at Wastwater. I'm going up on Scafell Pike. First time here. Got a plan A and a plan B for this mission. So the sign says 2.5 miles that way. So I'm taking the tourist route up to Hilleberg Soulo, so that'd be a bit interesting. Just trying to conserve, just trying to conserve battery and stuff. So I'll come back to you in a minute. It took a long time to get here, so let's crack on with the walk. Let's get up to Scafell Pike. As you see, it's overcast at the moment, but it's going to get better. All right, so I've set off now. Had a few minutes faffing around down there with the pack. It's sort of drizzling a bit, so I've got my I've got one of these DJI Mini 3 Pros. I had the DJI Mini 1 a few years ago, sold it, and I've got one of these, so just wanted to, not tested it out yet, so I just wanted to make sure that's in the bag because I don't want to get it wet. So this is where we're going. We're going up to Hilleberg Soulo. We've got to cross that, which is like a fast flowing sort of rapids thing, and it is meant to break up. It's supposed to be clear in a few hours. That's what the Met Office is telling me. Maybe 25-mile-an-hour gusts on the top. As I say, I've got a plan A and a plan B. If those fail, then we've got to find a plan C. Very rocky up there. First time up Scafell Pike, following my granddad's footsteps. If I've got a picture, I'll put it on the screen here when he was up there, 1932, 33, something like that. Adventurer. Whew. Oh, incredible scenes. Look at that. Right, let's get up there. Alright, welcome back. Sorry I haven't had a chance to come back to you. It's been an absolute nightmare getting up here. It's been very wet coming through there's just like thick cloud and stuff. It's starting to clear now. Well, let's give you a shot of my setup in a sec. Let's just have a look at the view of Wastwater. It's just down there. Over here, this is Scafell. Not Scafell Pike, that's Scafell. And just look at this. What a view. Absolutely awesome. Scafell Pike is up there, and there's home for the night. Just getting her pitched. Hilleberg Soulo Black Label. Stunning scenes in the Lake District, absolutely sensational. Wind, I'm going to check the wind speeds in a minute, but it's all right. I'm not sure about getting the Mavic up, the drone. Would love to, but yeah, I basically it was absolutely clagged in, and it's just cleared in the last couple, like 40 minutes. So I came down there, and yeah, that's Scafell Pike. Hopefully gives some shots in the morning, but let's look at that view. It is stunning. This is just what it's all about. Right, I'm just going to get all set up and I'll come back to you. Oh. There she is. Right, yeah, so I've all got everything all sorted out. I'm absolutely knackered. I'm starving. Quite a climb up here with the tourist path. Let's give you a 360. Yeah, incredible views. I've got my wind gauge thing. I'm going to check that out in a minute, but it's a little bit gusty. It's not, I'd say sort of 20-25 miles an hour max, but we'll check that out in a minute. So yeah, just going to get everything sorted out. Just going to blow up the mattress in a minute. I've got this flex tail thing. It's hard to believe it's July in a minute. Well, 2 days. So yeah, but Hilleberg Soulo Black Label looks pretty strong. Let's see how we get on. Pad's just blowing up. The flex tail. I think that's this is Lord's Rake. Might be doing that one. I'll see a few people milling about up the top of up the summit. The summit's just up the top there. Can't beat that for a view. Look at the sky, clouds, backdrop. That's the real pièce de résistance, not what I'm cooking. So I'm not going to make you watch me eat, which a lot of people do in their camping videos. I'm just going to eat, and you're not going to watch it. You're going to be treated to this view. It's incredible. Can't really get enough of that view. I don't, as I say, the last time I did a camp, if you watch some of my videos and stuff, yeah, I last did one over a year ago on Pen y Fan in the Brecon Beacons, and yeah, just had this just had things going on really, and I had this opportunity to come up here. It's a good time of year to do it really. It's right at the ending of June and stuff, so it's just let's have a spin you around while I chat to you. Yeah, so so that's sort of what I'm doing right now. It's just thought I'd come up here Saturday night, in for a nice relaxing evening. Got the food, just got an adventure food, just getting ready there. Got my down booties, keep my feet warm. It's a bit chilly up here. I've got thermals. I've got these Nature Hike down pants, which I highly recommend. Very, very good. Sea to Summit. No, it's not Sea to Summit. It's X-Ped's Sinma 8. They don't make it anymore. Inflated with that. I've got like a sleeping bag with some rock climbing company. It's not made. It's not one of the big boys, but it's pretty warm. It's a winter bag. This is a Decathlon pillow. Really good. And yeah, I'm just gonna have my dinner in a minute. And yeah, I got the drone up. I don't know if I've been able to I put it on portrait mode for Instagram and stuff, because that's, you know, it's just more people just doing Instagram reels and stuff, and I think it's sort of taken over YouTube a bit. So, but there will be a YouTube video which you're watching now probably. But yeah, weather's it's certainly nice. I mean, the Irish Sea is out there. Yeah, so I'll get out of the tent in a minute. We'll just have another look around. I'm just gonna have my dinner and I'll come back to you. Scafell Pike up there. So winds, yeah, the gusts have sort of started to pick up a little bit. I checked my office, but it says sort of 20 miles an hour really all night. So I'm going to be out. The lights are going to start coming up from 4 AM. So yeah, I might try to sort of head off fairly, you know, as soon as I can really, so I can get up on the summit before everyone comes up. So yeah, just to give you a little. Obviously it's just clearing nicely. I mean, I couldn't see anything. It was just completely clagged in up here on the way up. It was terrible, and I was sort of debating whether to abort, but glad I didn't. So it's nice and clear now. It wasn't earlier. I couldn't even get the camera out, so I'm getting it out at the right time. Last of the light now. Had a bit of a sunset, which I'll show you in a minute. I got the drone up just literally a minute ago. It's very windy, and the battery doesn't last long on these Mini 3 Pros. I hope I've got a little bit of footage that I can show you on Instagram and stuff. But yeah, it's quite chilly with the wind and stuff, but I've got everything I need to keep warm. The views out to the Irish Sea. Sun setting over there. There's a cloud coming in. Oh, interesting. incredible. Just incredible. Well, hello. It's about 2 a.m. And yeah, it's been gusting really pretty much all night. I've just been out several times to check the guy lines and stuff, but it's fine. It's very, very solid, as you would expect from the Soulo Black Label tent. Yeah, can't really get a wink of sleep.